Hello everyone, I am Ishwar Pahali, faculty member of English, SM Bhumreddy Arts and Commerce College, Gazinagar. Today I am going to discuss BA first semester basic English syllabus and question paper. The syllabus contains 80 marks paper for 3 hours duration and 20 marks for internal assessment. Total 45 hours syllabus for 3 credits. Let's see the syllabus first. The syllabus divided into in a 3 section. The first section, that is prose section, second one is poetry section, and third one grammar and composition. So let's see one by one. Let's discuss about the prose section. Here 2 short stories and 1 essay. The first one short story is The Nightingale and the Rose by Oscar Wilde, and the second one, the essay The Canker of Untruth by Mahatma Gandhi, and third one, that is sad story, The Silver Lining by Chaman Nahar. So this is all about the prose section, and let's move on to the poetry section. Here there are 3 poems. The first one, To India My Native Land by Henry Derzio. Second one, Village Schoolmaster by Oliver Goldsmith. And the third one, The Tiger by William Blake. So these are the poems for the prescribed syllabus for Karnataka University, Dharwad, for BA second sem students. Let's move on to the third section of the syllabus, that is grammar and composition. Here the first unit is correction of errors. It contains 10 marks. We will discuss later about the pattern of question paper in detail, grammar and composition. Let's see the other unit, combining sentences with appropriate conjunction. It also contains 5 marks. And the third unit is use of adverbs and adjectives. It also contains 5 marks. And the fourth unit, dialogue writing on common situations, like common situations. It contains 5 marks. And unit 5 is short speeches for welcoming speech, introducing, proposing vote of thanks, Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day and Republic Day, etc. It also contains 5 marks. And the sixth unit is one word substitutions. It also contains 5 marks. And last unit, that is collocations. It also contains 5 marks. So this is the syllabus for the BA second semester students. So let's see the syllabus of pattern of question paper. Here total 8 questions you have to answer. Total 80 marks question paper divided into prose and poetry section. It contains 40 marks. Grammar and composition contains 40 marks. So let's see one by one in detail. The first question, that is objective type questions on prose and poetry. Here 5 questions are selected from prose section and 5 from poetry section. Each question carries 1 marks. Total 10 questions, contains 10 marks. And main question number 2, that is essay type question on prose. We have to answer 1 out of 2, that contains 10 marks. And let's move on to the third question, essay type question on poetry. Here 1 out of 2 you have to answer. It also contains 10 marks. Let's see the fourth question on poetry and prose and poetry section, that is short notes on prose and poetry. Here 2 out of 4 you have to answer, choosing 1 from prose and 1 from poetry. Each question carries 5 marks. So this is all about the prose and poetry section. Total 40 marks you have to answer. So let's see the grammar section, that also contains 40 marks. So that is the fifth question, that is correction of errors. Here total 10 questions we have to answer. Each question carries 1 mark. Total 10 marks we have to answer. And main and the another that is next question, that is the sixth question. Here there are two sub questions. First one A, question number 6A, that is combining sentences with appropriate conjunction. Here 5 questions you have to answer. Each question carries 1 mark. Total 5 marks. Next, question number 6B, use of adverb and adjectives. Here 5 questions you have to answer. Each question carries 1 marks. Total 5 marks. So this is the 6th question. Let's move on to the 7th question. Here sub questions are main question number carries, the 7th question carries 2 sub questions, that is dialogue writing in a section, that is you have to answer 2 questions here, 1 out of 2 you have to answer. It contains 5 marks. And question number 7, it is also descriptive question, that is short speeches. I have already discussed, that is a vote of thanks, introducing oneself, Gandhi Jayanti, so Independence Day. So these are the short speeches you have to answer. Each question carries 5 marks. So this is the 7th question. So let's move on to the 8th question, that is here also carries 2 sub questions, that is question number 8A, 1 word substitutions. It also carries 5 questions, and each question carries 1 mark. Total 5 marks you have to answer. And question number 8B, it also contains 5 questions. Each question carries 1 marks. Total 5 marks you have to answer, that is collocations. So this is all about the syllabus and question paper for PA second semester students. Thank you.